It's the calm before the storm, guys. Hurricane Matthew is 2 hours away from here. Here at work, got things pretty much boarded up. Got it where water can't get in the front door here. We have sandbags down below it, as you can see right here. And there goes the news van, WMBF News. Not that bad, guys. Hurricane clouds above us, but it's coming from that direction over there. It's gonna get nasty, and y'all are gonna see it. Alright guys, so I'm walking through the beach. That's a pretty little dog. I'm gonna walk over here, check out the ocean, see how bad the waves are. Pretty nice swells out here. People out here walking around. It's like zombie land. There's the calm before the storm, guys. And guys, family first, guys. It's the way it is. Family first. Alright, 2 hours since I've been out here. 2 hours. Palm trees are now swaying a good bit out here. It is sprinkling a good bit, so I'm going to cover the GoPro so the weather really can't get on, the rain can't get on it. The palm trees, I mean, just like a normal cloudy day, sunny day. Cloudy, sunny, so see, I'm not even thinking, guys. Okay, I'm now out here walking on the sand, guys, and what's funny is earlier when I was out here today, the wind way compared to the west I'm doing, and now look at the Mississippi way back down the ocean here. The hurricane, the way is water falling down. It's really windy. And see what I can see from there. The cops said I could. Earlier today, I wondered if things still over here. I'm probably taking it back. I don't see it, but question, guys. A hurricane's coming. What do you do? Where do you go? Do you throw parties? Put in the comment section below. I'll get hit by the water right here. Put in the comment section below, guys. What do y'all do? What's the best thing to do during a hurricane, man? Do you come out to the ocean, jump in it, have fun? Or do you go buy alcohol, smoke, whatever? Put in the comment section below. Like this video. Little bit of wind out here, guys. Man, that is beautiful. So y'all can hear. really starting to pick up bad now. Water is getting, I can't even look that way because the water is getting in my face. Man, that's crazy. I wish you could see, well, you can see my shirt. I have a little droplets on my shirt here. Okay, I'm gonna walk back to the car, guys, because I don't know if the rain is going, I'm gonna hold down below me. I don't know if the rain is going to. Waterproof case. You gotta love them, man. Check this out. I'm gonna face it towards the rain this time. You can see all the droplets hit the screen. That's what was getting in my eyes, guys. It might not be that bad on the video. And it might be hard to hear me because the case is on here. So I'm gonna speak up a little bit louder. I thought that Ferris wheel was spinning for a minute. That's Sky Wheel, Myrtle Beach. So I can look it up. That's the Sky Wheel. That's beautiful, man. Look at that. These little birdies over there running. I'm gonna walk out here towards the ocean a little bit more. Just hear the waves crash. Just listen to the music, man. Okay, I'm gonna wipe the screen off, guys. Hang on just a minute here. Yeah, probably a little bit better. Sorry if that made it all scratchy sounding, but that's nice. I'm gonna hold it still for just a second. Just take a look at that. Again, guys, this is pre-hurricane. This is Hurricane Matthew, and it's coming from Florida through Savannah, Georgia. Not Savannah, but you know, the coast of Georgia. It's coming up through Charleston. Charleston is getting hit really bad right now. They're 2 hours away. The wind, right now, literally, it feels like the wind is sucking me that way. I know the wind's blowing that way, but actually it just feels like a huge current of wind is just coming around and just like wanting to carry me down the beach here. And we have visitors here, but it's all good. Isn't it crazy how when a hurricane gets here, like everyone leaves? I guess it's just the thing to do, right? Not me. I stay here. Everything's boarded up. Everything is dead. So guys, every hurricane we get free parking. Look at that. How awesome is that? Save money. Hey guys, alright, I'm heading back inland right now. I'm about 2.5–3 miles away from the ocean. I am going to go to the house, just chill for a little while. It's 4:41 right now, a little bit overcast, clouds are moving at a steady pace. There's hardly any traffic out here, as you can see. Just a few cars here and there. Most of the people that are here have already evacuated and left out of town. Me personally, this doesn't scare me. I want to record it. Now at Kroger, they're going to give me some supplies for the house, some water to get this place already boarded up a little bit. And get some ham, some bread, get from there. Alright, when a hurricane comes, it's the best time to stock up on water. Check this out. Look at that water. You get the best kind of water here too. Fiji water. Look at that. What kind of water do y'all like?